White flower, white flower. Oh, ganun. White flower, guys. Ang laki ng white flower. Hello, 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 good morning. Good afternoon or good evening. Saan man sulok ng mundo. Shout out everyone to all my loyal supporters, subscribers. Thank you so much guys for supporting Rose the Melod Vlog. To all my new subscribers, big thanks and mega love shout out everyone. I hope everybody's doing well lately here in UAE. Medyo may tense pero thanks God at naayos-ayos naman na at sana tuloy-tuloy na, tahimik na. Shout out sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas. Chard, ingat lagi dyan anak. Andito ako, naka-stop ako dito sa nakita ko kasi ang nagbubulaklak mga white flower dito sa daan. Ingat ka lagi dyan anak, aking bunso Chard. Sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, sis, ingat ka rin dyan, pray lagi. And shout out sa iyo dyan, my sis and Kuwait, Juliet and Vlog. Please subscribe also my sis Juliet and Vlog. Anyway, shout out ading Jinji and ading Talpakik, ading Love Trouble Music, sis ko nana Honey YTC, Asmar Whispering Waves, Michael Kiambao, very supportive, and Lia B. Tatino, Lia DeSantis, thank you for always supporting. M. Hasan Pasha, thank you. Sino ko ba yung Ading Nils TV, shout out Ading Nils TV, Tola, Ading Coach Samuhing TV, Tola Music Guitar, mega love shout also Kamahalan Toyoyong, Kamalig Mix Vlog, shout out. And to all my new subscribers, big thanks. I'm sorry if I cannot mention all your name, but I would like to say big thanks. Thank you so much guys for supporting my simple YouTube channel, my small YouTube channel I mean, and to my simple videos. Thank you so much. And to those always supporting my silent live, thank you so much. Ading Nils TV, shout out. May harang kaso hindi ko makuha yung yung join button kung bakit nagsa-sign up naman ako sa membership, di ba yung membership, pero nakalimutan ko na kasi ilang taon na yun. Ilang taon na yun kasi. So Ading Nils TV, kung mapanood mo ito, sana i-message mo sa akin kung paano mo ginawa. By the way, tomorrow pagka mag-live ka, pupunta na lang ako sa live mo para mas clear. Thank you so much guys. I hope everybody's doing well, doing fine. Sana okay lang kayong lahat yan. Pasensya na kayo sa mga hindi ko nababalikan. Medyo may tense pa kami dito. Medyo busy. Hindi katulad noon na marami akong free time. So, ngayon medyo limit-limit ang oras ng lola niyo. So, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, guys. At sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat. Thanks everyone. Rose Dumelod vlog all the way from Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. I love you all and God bless.